This video is not sponsored. So today we are going to be prepping this turbo to go on the Rabbit, and hopefully it's the turbo that's blown. If not, I'm going to be replacing the motor. So wish me luck. Now we're gonna clock these turbos. Well, this turbo. This one, we're going to clock this one to match this one. In order to do this, you're going to need to loosen these bolts right here to clock the cold side. So we'll start with that one first. Now you just tighten these all back up. Your hot side too. Just don't go crazy because you will strip out the bolts on the cold side. Ask me how I know. Goodness. Fingers crossed. It is the turbo that fucked up, hopefully. I'm actually very curious, so I'm going to take this apart as far as I can and see if I can see if there's anything wrong with it. Oh, fuck. Well, look at this hill. Not so pretty. Let's keep digging. Okay, back to the good stuff. So I put it back together just to see if it's still going to smoke. For some reason my downpipe that I made doesn't line up to this turbo. I gotta remake that downpipe. Readjusted, now I'm welding it back on. I would show you guys, but last time I melted my camera. So, well, just the lens. I'm going to weld this up real quick. Fingers crossed. Not too shabby. My motor is blown! Okay, you guys, I replaced the turbo, and you can't see it on camera, but it is smoky as hell. So, somewhere in there, this motor, there's something broken, and the car is out of commission. So in the meantime, go check out all my other playlists, watch some videos. I am going to take a break from making videos. It is winter, it is disgusting outside, and I don't have a garage. So I'm going to take a little bit of time to gather everything I need to build this engine, and I will see you guys when that happens. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will let you guys know what's going on. I will keep you updated, and I will be doing shorts, YouTube shorts, so go check those out as well.